जय नित्यलीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत सिलवान गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। जय नित्यलीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत सिलनारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। जय नित्यलीला पृष्ठम विष्णु भक्ति वेदांत सिलनारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। भगवान नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। गोपी गोवर्धन श्री गिरिराज महाराज की जय। राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड ललिता विशाखा आदि सुसुखी बिंद की जय। श्री रूपमंजरी रुद्रमंजरी हनुमंजरी विलास मंजरी रमन मंजरी सुखबिंद की जय। हरिनाम से गुड प्रेमानंद। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जन शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओं वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्वत्रे नमः। भक्ता विहीन अपराध लक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादि तरंग मध्यै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृंदे नमस्ते चरणारविंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Goswami Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis. So yesterday we also went very super excellent auspicious place, Ter Kadamba. In morning we also arrived in that place. Some Vaishnavas, they also glorified about the sweet pastimes of Ter Kadamba. Ter means to call, call out the cows. And Kadamba means that there are, at the time of Krishna, there was one very nice, beautiful Kadamba trees. And so sometimes Krishna used to climb up on the top of that Kadamba trees, and he played the flute, and he called all the cows, and they used to come in front of him. And sometimes Krishna also called all the cows and also made to them to drink the water from the pond. And you have seen the very nice, beautiful, there is the one pond, Kunda, that is called Krishna Kunda is there. Rupa Goswami Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhan many places, this is true. Sometimes Vrindavan, and sometimes Radha Kunda, on the bank of Radha Kunda, sometimes also Nandagaon, Barshana, and there are many places he performed bhajan and sadhan. But Gurudev, he told Rupa Goswami's best place, the perform bhajan and sadhan, that is called Ter Kadamba. Because this Ter Kadambo, that is called the middle place of between Nandagaon and Jawat. Because Srimati Radhika, she every day used to go Jawat to Nandagaon. And Mother Jasoda, she also invite to her and to cook for Krishna. Because Durvasa Rishi once came in the house of Vrishabhanu Maharaj. That time Durvasa Rishi, he told, I can take prasad in your house if your small daughter Srimati Radhika cook for me. That time Srimati Radhika only 3 or 4 years old. So according to instruction of Durvasa Rishi, Srimati Radhika, she also cooked for Durvasa Rishi. You know Durvasa Rishi, he was very mystic sadhu. He knows many mystic power, this sadhu. But Durvasa Rishi told, my plate always should be in full. If I will eat, my plate should be always full. If my plate empty, then I cannot eat, then I become very angry. Durvasa told. Srimati Radhika, she told, don't worry. So Srimati Radhika, she knows everything because all the mystic powers are coming from the toenails of Srimati Radhika. Anantakoti, Vishnu Luka, Namra Padma, Jarchite, Himadrija, Pulumaja, Brinchaja, Baraprade, Apara, Riddhi Siddhis, Jat Padanguli Nake, Kada Kori Sasimang, Kripa Kataksha Bhajan. Radha Kripa Kataksha also explains all kinds of mystic powers are coming from the toenails of Srimati Radhika. And so when Durvasa Rishi started to eat, then Srimati Radhika, she was cooking. And she was making the, what is called, puri. And Durvasa is eating and giving one, then Durvasa is very quick and ate. Then Srimati Radhika very quick, also she also prepared puri and put his plate. And, but Durvasa, before eating one puri, then Srimati Radhika, she put maybe 10 or 15 puri in his plate. And so Durvasa cannot eat. Then Durvasa Rishi told, oh, my stomach is completely full, I will not eat. Then Durvasa is very pleased with Srimati Radhika. This Leela also very nicely explained in Garga Samhita also. Then Durvasa Rishi, he gave benediction to Srimati Radhika. If she will cook anything, that will be transferred in nectar also. Even Durvasa gave blessing to Srimati Radhika. If Srimati Radhika will kiss to anybody, also that's all nectar will enter in her body. If Srimati Radhika kiss, kisses someone, then nectar from her body also. Enter the body also. So our what is name? Kavi Karnapur very nicely also glorified about this Leela. This Leela also explained this way. And if you read Kavi Karnapur's Grantha, what is Grantha? Ananda Vrindavan Champu. Understand? Ananda Vrindavan Champu. This Grantha, very nice, beautiful. And Ekodasi Radha Priyas Ekodasi Radha Priya Sukha Chumbaneno. Once Srimati Radhika, she was playing with her very near and dearest parrots. And very small baby parrot, Srimati Radhika, she was playing and with her sweet parrot. And the parrot, there's a small baby parrot, the nature, and with her beaks, also kissing Srimati Radhika cheeks. This is nature. In the same time, Srimati Radhika, she also kissed on the beak of the parrot. Then all the nectar of Srimati Radhika entered in the mouth of parrots. Balavindavan Vihari. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam's third sloka also explained this sloka. What is sloka? निगम कल्पतरु गलित फलं सुकामृतं द्रव संयुतं पिबत भागवत रसमालं मुहुरो ऋषिका भुवि भावुका. Why Srimad Bhagavat recited by Sukdev Goswami Pad and all nectars in there? Because the Srimad Bhagavatam recited by Sukdev Goswami, and when Sukdev Goswami recited Srimad Bhagavatam, all the nectar actual coming from Srimati Radhika. Vasudev also recited Srimad Bhagavatam. Then Vasudev, he recited Srimad Bhagavatam and told to Sukdev. But why that katha is not sweet nectarian katha? Why not? Because Sukdev Goswami, when he spoke Srimad Bhagavatam, and that Bhagavat is sweet nectars, because actually this is coming from Srimati Radhika. So our Kavi Karnapur explained this. Ekoda Srimati Radhika Sukachumbaneno. One Srimati Radhika, she also kissed Sukpakshi and parrots. Then all sweet and nectarian coming from this.
What happened with that? What happened with that parrot after?
Parrot.
Yeah,
That parrot that is Sukapakshi. That Suk parrot manifested in this in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sukadev Goswami. So in this way, Srimad Bhagavatam third sloka is playing. Nigama kalpataru galita phalam suka mukhadamrita drava samjutam pibata bhagavata rasamalayam muhuro rusika bhuvi bhavuka. Sukamritam. That means Sukdev Goswami Pad, and he recited Srimad Bhagavatam in front of Parikshit Maharaj. And so this katha is so sweet and nectarian katha, because Srimati Radhika, she kissed on the
lips.
in the beaks of Sukapakshi. That the same this thing coming this way. So now coming in this way, the Sukdev Parikshit Maharaj. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhan. Hey, I told this katha. In Durvasa Rishi, he also gave blessing to Srimati Radhika. Whatever she will be cooked, that will become sweet nectar. And one who will cook his prasad, and he will be very healthy and free from all kinds of disease. So for this regard, Mother Jashoda, every day she used to invite to her and in her house cook for Krishna. So Srimati Radhika every day early in the morning used to go Jabat to Nandagaon. And on the way there are many leelas are going on. Srimati Radhika, she used to go Nandagaon with Kundalata. And on the way Kundalata, she also very nicely glorified about Krishna Katha. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. He Krishna Yadav He Sakheti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. So now coming this way. So Rupa Goswami Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhan and Ted Kadamba India. And remembering many sweet pastimes of conjugal divine couple Radha and Krishna. Now many Radha Krishna Leelas manifesting in his heart. And sometimes he also is to write some slokas, glorification of Radha Krishna's Leela. Just take it. Devi the Kusuma Vindai Dambiladati. Bigodita Mada Guruna, Keke Binchi Prasastim, Mudurva Bimbo, the Girna Tambular. Bibi the Kusuma Vindai, Bibi the Kusuma Vindai, And here Rupa Goswami Pad just absorbs the sweet pastimes of Radha and Krishna. And just all Leelas also manifested in his heart, then he was writing. Vividha Kusuma Bindu Dhammila Dhati, Bigurda Kodokar, Vividha Kusuma Bindu Dhammila Dhati. According to the instruction of Lalita Devi, then Rupa Manjari, she collected many flowers. And then Rupa Manjari, she also made very nice, beautiful garland for Srimati Radhika. And then Lalita Devi very nicely decorated Srimati Radhika's crawling here. And so the Vividha Kusuma Bindu Dhammila Dhati, Bigurda Madhurno Keki Pinji Prasastam. Then Srimati Radhika's here very nicely, beautiful, decorate with the different colorful flowers. And this thing. And in the meantime, one peacock came out from the cave of Giriraj Govardhan, or any cave of mountain. When peacock saw Srimati Radhika's very nice, beautiful curling hair and decorated with the flowers, then peacock, he became very ashamed. Because peacock always very proud of his beautiful feathers. Peacock always very. You can see when peacock so much intoxicated with his own beauty, and that will spread his tails and start to dance. Always is not dancing. You can see. And when so much also intoxicated and with his beauty, then he also spread his tails and start to dance. And he also start to, and also moving this way. That means he's showing to everybody, look how is my beautiful feathers. And you can see, and you see also moving very nicely this. As like the what is called? As like the hands of the clock. Do this way. And that means he's also showing to everyone, look, I am how beautiful feather. But when that the peacock saw Srimati Radhika's very nice, beautiful braid or hairs and decorated with the flowers, then he became very ashamed. Then he ran away and entered in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan Balavrindavan Vihari Lal. So Rupa Goswami, for first line, he wrote this way: Vividha Kusuma Bindu Dhammila Dhati, Bigurda Madhurno Keki Pinchi Prasastim, Madhura Vimbodganno Tambula Ragu, Spurata Mulkapulang, Radhika Archayam. Then next line, Rupa Goswami Pad wrote these things according to the instruction of Lalita Devi. And then one Manjari very nicely prepared for Tambula. Tambula, understand? What is a Tambula? Betel nut. That is your pan prasad. And prepare very nicely and offer to Lalita, Rupa Manjari offered to Lalita. Lalita Devi, she offered to Srimati Radhika. But Srimati Radhika is thinking, this is a very nice, beautiful tambul. And betel nut. I have to offer to Krishna. Then Krishna is very happy and Krishna ching. Then Srimati Radhika just she was looking. Then Krishna's lips, upper lips and lower lips completely what? Reddish color. The reddish color is the symbol of Anurag. Anurag. In Ujjwal Nirmani explain the Rupa Goswami Ujjwal Nirmani also explain the color of Anurag, that is called the reddish color, saffron color, this thing. So Srimati Radhika, she was looking how is beautiful reddish color of the lips of Krishna. That means that how much deep attachment with me. Srimati Radhika is thinking this way. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika just she was looking and her eyes become very big rasgulla. She was looking how beautiful reddish. And if you see very beautiful things, then you will become very surprised and again you want to see. Well, how is beautiful this thing? So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she was looking Krishna's reddish color lips. But Krishna is thinking another way. because different mind. Krishna is thinking maybe Srimati Radhika, she wants my remnants and Pan Prasad. So Krishna told, hey Srimati Radhika, you are looking. If that Guru is eating prasad, disciple looking. When Gurudev left prasad for me and remnants, I will take. We are looking, many rasgullas are there on the plate of Gurudev. All you are thinking, when Gurudev left for me. We are thinking, Gurudev eating, 1, 2, then they go, must be this one, the last one you will not eat. Then eat. Then you think, my God, today I will not get the rasgulla prasad. In the same way, Krishna is thinking, maybe Srimati Radhika, she is looking, my mouth means she wants my remnants. Because Krishna has experienced this way. Because Srimati Radhika, every day, she used to take remnants of Krishna. Dhanishta understand? This is okay of Srimati Radhika. Dhanishta, she every day bring Krishna's remnant prasad and offer to Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, Krishna is thinking maybe Srimati Radhika, here is no Dhanishta. Dhanishta Sakhi knows here. So maybe thinking, maybe Srimati Radhika, she wants my remnant Pan Prasad. So Krishna then just took one prasad and offered to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika become very angry. Because this is the symptom of highest divine love. That is, man means when love so much, what is called? Condense, that transfer in the form of anger or man. This is the thing. Sneho, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav. So this is called the transcendental world. Anger is coming from a deep attachment. And that time also that prem transfer in the form of anger man. So Srimati Radhika, she told, I don't want your remnants. Then Srimati Radhika, she turned her face from Krishna. Then Krishna also by force embraced to her and make very nice, beautiful spot and kissing her cheek and very nice, beautiful red marks on her cheek. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur also explained this way, Jamuna Pulin Ahorane Giya Ujibo Jugal Rasa Jamuna Puline Ahoron Giya Ujibo Jugal Rasa Har Prema Mugda Haye Pagalini Prai Prema Mugda Haye Pagalini Prai Gai Bora Dharo Joso Gai Bora Dharo Joso Dekhite dekhite Bholibo ba kabe Nijo sthula porichoyo Dekhite dekhite Bholibo ba kabe Nijo sthula porichoyo Ar Brajapura Sobha Nayane Heribo Brajapura Sobha Nitachidananda Moya And Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song very nicely explained. When free from all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things, then by the causeless mercy of Jogmaya, then we realize our transcendental constitution form Siddhadeva Parichaya. And then all this lila automatically manifest in our heart. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very humble, he also composed this verse, the Jamuna Pulin Ahorane Giya Bujiba Jugalaras. I will go on the bank of Jamuna fetching the water. Then when I will see this lila, how Radha Krishna, they are this lila. How Krishna by force embraced to Srimati Radhika. Then I will return back and tell to all this lila in front of the Sokhis of Srimati Radhika Lalita Vishakha. So the Jagonna Pulin Ahorane Giya বুঝিব যুগল রস আর প্রেম মুগ্ধ হয়ে পাগলিনী প্রায় গাইব রাধার যশ আমি গৃহে না যাইব বনে প্রবেশিব হলিলা রসের তরে আমি গৃহে না যাইব বনে প্রবেশিব হলিলা রসের তরে। And Bhaktivinoda Thakur then again he composed another and very nice beautiful and song যমুনা পুলিনে কদম্ব কাননে কি হে রেণু সখিয়া যমুনা পুলিনে কদম্ব কাননে কি হে রেণু সখিয়া আরে শ্যাম বংশীধারী মণিমঞ্চ পরি শ্যাম বংশীধারী মণিমঞ্চ পরি লীলা করে রসরাজ অষ্টদল পরি শ্রী রাধা শ্রীহরি অষ্ট সখী পরিজন সুগীত নর্তনে সব সখী জনে তুষিছে সকল মনে। And Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely sang this song also this. Because all this lila is going on the bank of Jamuna. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained the Jamuna Puline, Sakhi ki dekhune or Jamuna Puline. Oh my Sakhis, whatever I have seen on the bank of Jamuna, where Radha and Krishna and all the Sakhis, they perform sweet lila. So now coming in this way, this Rupa Goswami path, when he performed bhajan and sadhan, and entered Kadamba, and then all kinds of lila manifesting in his heart. Sometimes he wrote meeting lila, and Sambhogmai lila. Then all the trees very nicely decorated with flowers, fruits, leaves, and many birds are there chirping. This is lila. Because Jogmaya she arranged this way. Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song also very nicely explained in this way. Krishna Leela Heri Prakriti Sundari Bistari Che Sobhavone Krishna Leela Heri Prakriti Sundari Bistari Che Sobhavone. Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed this verse in this way. Krishna Leela Heri Prakriti Sundari. Prakriti Sundari means transcendental nature. Jogmaya, Vrindadevi. She arranged very nice, beautiful Vrindavan. All the trees are decorated with flowers, fruits, leaves, and completely what? Decorated. This is things. So Krishna Leela Heri Prakriti Sundari Bistariche Subhavani. And how is beautiful Vrindavan. All the trees, they are very happy. And if just to give an example, if you attend, if for any relative marriage ceremony, and everyone is very nicely beautiful decorate of their clothes, hairs, and bodies this way. In the same way, when Krishna used to come in Vrindavan, and that time Jogmaya Vrindadevi, she nicely decorate all Vrindavan with the trees, flowers, fruits in this way. So here Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted this verse, Krishna Leela Heri Prakriti Sundari Vistarja Subhavani. In the same time, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote many sweet meeting lila of Radha and Krishna this way. That is called Sambhogmai lila. And our next, then Rupa Goswami sometimes he wrote some separation mode, Viraha lila. Then the same tree is completely what? Dry. And all the trees and completely dry. No flowers, no fruits, or no leaves. That dries tree completely. And only the branches are there. And raise two hands and this way. All the trees, nothing. And again Rupa Goswami Pad, when he wrote Radha Krishna's meeting lila, then all the trees again also what? And also and going off, and all that flowers, fruits, and going on this way. And some flowers this way, And so Rupa Goswami, Gurudev also told when Rupa Goswami passed, and he wrote some meeting lila, that the trees are very beautiful and attractive. And when Rupa Goswami passed, he wrote some Viraha lila of Radha and Krishna, that tree is also completely dry, all the leaves completely and falling down. Viraha Milan. Prem means this word. Always going in two ways. Meeting and separation. Separation and meeting. That is your Viraha, Milan, Milan, Viraha. And without Viraha, separation, without separation, meeting will be not increased. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad wrote this verse in this grantha. Nabina vipralambe na sambhoga pushti masnute. That means vipralamba, meeting, nourishment, the separation, nourishment, the meeting. Meeting not separate, meeting not nourishment, the separation journey is possible. You cannot, opposite you cannot say this. Viraha rash. And separation always nourishment to meeting this. Jatha Ranjite Kosayata Vastra, as like the saffron colored cloth, if you put in the dryer, then also that the cloth will be more delightful. In the same way, Jogmaya, she arranges Radha Krishna's separation. Then they are so much, and eagerness will come to meet with each other. For this regard, meeting also, 4 types of meeting and 4 types of also separation. And Ubarag, Man, Pravas, Preman, Vaichit. Yesterday I told Prem Sarovar this katha. And Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Prema Vaichit. In the same way, meeting also 4 types of meetings are there. And Samriddhaman meeting. And this is also the many kinds of these are realized. So Rupa Goswami Pad and some remembering these pastimes in there and this realized and he mostly Rupa Goswami Pad he wrote all his grantha on the place of Ter Kadam. And sometimes he also used to come in Radha Kundo, wrote some granthas, all different places. But most of the grantha Gurudev told, he wrote on the Ter Kadam. And especially, he also met with Sanatana Goswami Pad. Sanatana Goswami Pad, he was staying on the bank of Pavan Sarovar. Understand? Pavan Sarovar. Sanatana Goswami Bhajan Kutir are there. Pavan Gop, the father of Visakha Devi. His name was Pavan Sarovar. He also built very nice, beautiful, what is called, palace for Srimati Radhika on the bank of the pond. And also made very nice, beautiful pond for Srimati Radhika. Because Srimati Radhika every day used to take bath in that place. So for this regard, that place is, that pond is named called Pavan Sarovar. And the Pavan means pure, pavitra. Because where Radha and Krishna's sweet meeting, Leela also in there. When Srimati Radhika used to take bath in the water of the Pavan Sarovar, then Krishna sometimes also jumped in the water. And sometimes Krishna also, what is called? उसके पैर को पकड़ कर लेते हैं. And grabbed the feet of Srimati Radhika. And as like a crocodile. Then Srimati Radhika, she afraid her, okay, oh, save me. Then Krishna come, what is the crocodile? Actually, this crocodile of Krishna crocodile. These types of lila is there also. And sometimes Krishna also used to come here and to drink the water of his cows. Choo, please come and drink the water. Needy, take the water. And this way, using this Braj language, then the cows, they used to know the language of Braj. So in this place, Krishna and Radha Krishna, very nice, beautiful lila is there also. So Sanatana Goswami Pad also, he used to perform bhajan sadhan on the bank of Pavan Sarovar. And so Sanatana Goswami Pad sometimes he used to go Ter Kadamba and met with met with Rupa Goswami Pad. And they also discuss Krishna Katha and Srimad Bhagavad Katha. Janamadasya Jatahanadi Trathascha Vigasrat Tene Brahma Hridajo Adi Kabe Mujjanti Jasurayu Tejo Bari Mridang Jatha Binimayu Tisargo Amrisa Dhamna Sena Nirstang Pokam Sattang Parang Dhimahi. Then Rupa Goswami Pad gave a nice beautiful explanation. Nice beautiful explanation about these slokas. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad, he gave another very nice sweet explanation. Both brothers, they also compete to each others, and sweet nectarian Harikatha is going on. Just give an example, glimpse one. Janma Dasa Jataha Anyadi Trathasta Vignasara. Janma Adi. That means all the mellows, rasas, coming from Madhurja Ras. So Janma Dasa Asa. Janma Adi Janma Dasa Jataha. All kinds of mellows coming from Singha Rasa. Madhurja Ras. Santa Dasa Sakha Vatsalya. All kinds of rasas coming from Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Singharas, conjugal bond. Because all Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Mahabhav. Premer Sar Bhav, Bhaver Sar Mahabhav, Mahabhav Sarupini, Radha Thakur. And in this Rup Sanatan, they also gave very nice, beautiful explanation about different types of rasas, melus, kathas. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she used to come that place and listen Hari Katha from their lotus lips. And what will say to others? Even Srimati Radhika is very eager to listen this Katha, sweet pastimes from Rup and Sanatan. But just she also pretending. But she brought some sweet rice, what is called, sugar, milk, and also rice. She told, hey Baba, take this milk, my mother send this milk, sugar, you can cook. But Rup Sanatan, they completely absorbed with their Harikatha. Because there was so much sweet Harikatha is going on. They have no time who has come or not. And if you absorb Harikatha, then your mind is not going here and there. So when Rup Sanatan, they also discuss Harikatha, very nice, beautiful explanation. This is going on. But Srimati Radhika, she has come, disguised the form of one village, an ordinary village girl. Baba, take this, my mother sent this, and sugar, milk and rice. But they did not give attention. Then Srimati Radhika told, okay, and you are completely a renounced person. You have no time to thinking how to eat or not to eat. And sadhus always absorbed in Harikatha. And so Srimati Radhika said, okay, I can cook for you. Then Srimati Radhika very close to sit in front of them and start to cooking. But where is the, what is called, gas? No gas cylinder. No also oven, nothing. No pot, nothing. So how does she cook? But Srimati Radhika, I told, this is all kinds of mystic power coming from the toenails of Srimati Radhika. Anantakoti Vishnu Luka Namra Padma Jarchiti Himadrija Pulomaja Birinchaja Baraprati Aparo Siddhi Riddhi Sat Padanguli Nake. And all kinds of mystic power manifested from her toenails. Just Srimati Radhika, just she gave the blue. Then automatically the dry leaves coming and dry woods are coming. Then again Srimati Radhika gave some blue again. Then fire coming. Then automatically very nice, beautiful pot coming. And then you put the milk, then automatically boiling. How many hours boiling? Milk boiling. Our Srimati Radhika, she is very happy to listen. They are sweet, nectarian and katha, Amrit katha. This thing. Then when they about to finish their katha, then sweet rice prepared. Then she told, oh Baba, take this sweet rice. My mother is calling to me. I am going to Barsana. And then she left that place. Then Rup Sanatan, when they finished their Harikatha, it's a very nice sweet rice at there. And sweet smell coming. Because what Srimati Radhika she cooked, you cannot believe what kinds of nectar and smell will come. Who can glorify this? Then they offered Thakurji in their mind. Then Rup Sanatan, they took that the prasad, and their heart completely were intoxicated. That time, Rup Sanatan, they talked to each other. Who cooked for us? Oh, maybe that one young village girl, she cooked. Then Rup Sanatan Goswami Pad told, Rup, do you know? I think that she was not an ordinary village girl. Srimati Radhika, she came and she cooked for us. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari La, Bolo Govinda, Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo. 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 Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai, Jai Shri Radhe. So drummer prepared or not? Oi. Huh? Yes. What you are dressing?
The lesson is in the room.
Okay, we'll go dress. That will be drama will be start 7:30 to 7:45. Okay?
Downstairs?
Yeah, already katha ite.
You wanted to see some singing before you wanted to see some or no?
देखना चाहते हैं कुछ अभी
Huh?
सैंपल
Simple.
सैंपल
I told you can. Who is Shiva?
Doranga por quê?
Shiva. Okay, everybody very nice dress. Go.
Ok.
Don't delay. Huh? Nice drama. Okay, go Preman. Okay, take prasadam.